how to redeem your GameStop gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can redeem GameStop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To redeem your GameStop gift card online, just go to gamestop.com and you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap on the cart icon from the top right. So you have to actually redeem it during the checkout process. Now in this case, the product that I'm using will not allow me to use a gift card, so I will select some of the other products over here. I'll just go to the GameStop tab over here. Then after that, I'll simply go ahead and then select a certain product that I want to buy over here. So I'll just select this one. Then after I've done that, I will go ahead and then select the digital or collectors or whichever else that I want here. Then just tap on the pre-order option. Now once I've done this, I will simply head to my cart, or I will directly go to the checkout process from here. So let me also just go ahead and complete this process and go to the checkout process. In the checkout process is where I will actually find the option to add a gift card or a trade-in credit over here. So right over here, in this case this is not being able to ship, but there you'll find the option to add a gift card or trade-in credit, and once you've done that, you will be able to redeem your gift card online. This way you'll be able to redeem your GameStop gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.